Hello everyone, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about BRS configuration. Before this, you should know what is BRS. BRS means Bank Reconciliation Statement. It is reconciliation between the account maintained by your company and the account maintained by the bank. There can be some instances where both the accounts will not tally. In SAP, you will be receiving two types of bank statement. First is electronic bank statement and second is manual bank statement. So, before creating bank reconciliation, you should know that one bank account has 3 GLs. For each bank account, you have to create 3 GLs. First is for main bank GL, and second is for incoming bank GL, and third is for outgoing bank GL. So first of all, we will create 3 GLs for each bank account. Go to SAP and run the T code FS00. As we created earlier the bank GLs, I'll show you the configurations again. Those didn't see, so they can see the configurations again. First, I'm showing you SBI outgoing bank. Here, give the GL account number, company code. Under type and description, select bank account group and click on balance sheet. Give short text, long text for your outgoing bank. Click on control data. Here, give currency. Click on only balance in local currency. In the incoming bank and outgoing bank, very important thing, in incoming bank GL and outgoing bank GL, click open item management. Always tick on open item management. Then click on line item display and give sort key 001. In both incoming bank GL and outgoing bank GL, always take open item management. I'm repeating again because it is a mandatory, because these two bank accounts GLs, incoming bank and outgoing bank, we have to nullify in the future. Those entry which we have to clear in the future, we must to tick on open item management. Then click on create bank and interest. Here give sort key G005. Then click on save. Same as we have to create incoming bank also. Now see the configuration of main bank GL. Give GL account number, company code. Under type and description, select bank account group. Under balance sheet account, give the short text main bank and long text for your main bank. Under control data, give currency, then click on local currency, then click on line item display, then give sort key. Here in the main bank GL, we no need to click on open item management because this bank will not nullify in the future. It is our main bank. Here we have to select the field status G005 and click on relevant to cash. Then click on save. Like this, we have to create 3 bank GLs for a one bank account. Now go back. Here see the GL entries, how journal entries will occur. For normal bank payment, for normal vendor payment, entry is vendor account debit to outgoing bank. For reconciliation entry, outgoing bank account debit to main bank. Same as in payment received, normal journal entries, incoming bank account debit to customer. At the time of reconciliation, entry is main bank account debit to incoming bank. So now we are going to start the configurations of house bank. Define house bank by the T code FI12. Go to SAP and run the T code FI12 to define house bank. House bank is known as our bank branch. Give company code and enter. Here we will define a house bank. Give company code Tata and name of your house bank. I have given SBI K1. Then give country is India. Then select your bank key. Now I'll show you how to create bank key. Run the T code, create new session. Run the T code FI10 to create bank key. Run the T code again. FI01 is the T code. FI01 to create bank key. Here give country IN for India and give your bank key. I am giving SBI 000 then 987. Then click on save. Like this you can create bank key and assign at the time of define house bank. Then click on address. Here you can give the address. Then click on save. Like this you can define house bank. After creating house bank, double click on bank accounts. Here you have to define the bank accounts. Click on new entries. Here we have to give the bank ID, account ID. I am giving SBI N1 for my account ID. Give description, bank account. Here we have to give the bank account number. Just I am giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 0 0 as my bank account number. Give currency INR. Here we have to give the control key 11 for saving accounts and 10 for our saving accounts and 11 for current accounts. And here we have to assign the main bank GL in which we have to transfer the amount. Here we will assign the main bank GL which is our SBI main bank. Then click on save. Continue. So like this we have to define house bank and bank account ID and bank account number. Here you can see SBI K1 is our house bank, SBI N1 is our account ID and bank account is 123456000 is our bank account. So like this you can configure your house bank. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. In our next video, we will continue this BRS configurations. Thank you. Have a nice day.